Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I thought today I'm going to share with you all the products I love using on my hair. I get questions all the time on my Instagram and on YouTube, what products I use and what tools I use. So let's chat hair. Alright, so I want to first talk about my hair sort of like routine. What I like to do is I like to color my hair. I would say every 5 to 6 weeks I color the base of my head, so the roots, and then every 10 to 12 weeks I do highlights, and I love getting my hair colored. That's one thing I've learned during quarantine. I can give everything else up. I can give up doing my nails and everything else, but I love my hair color so much. I'm very fortunate. I have the best colorist in LA. Her name is Tracy Cunningham, and it just makes me feel really good when I color my hair. It makes me feel younger, and I feel like my face looks brighter. So yeah, so that's sort of what I do with my color. And then I like to work out. So I work out, I would say, about 5 days a week. So that means I personally need to wash my hair more often because I do get sweaty around my hair, so I don't like that feeling. But I do like the way my hair looks when I don't wash it very often, because I usually have a better hair day the second or the third day when my hair is a little on the dirtier side. But I would say I wash my hair every other day or every third day. And yeah, let's get started. I'm going to show you all the products I use in my shower. So I'm going to show you 2 different options of hair shampoo and conditioners. I actually really like drugstore brands, and the one I use right now, actually my daughter Valentina has turned me on to this. It's a L'Oreal brand. It's called the Ever Pure Moisture Shampoo, and that's the one. And I really like it because it's sulfate free and it smells really, really good. Actually, my son also uses it, so the whole family is like really into this. And it also comes with a conditioner. So I have the set. I have the shampoo and the conditioner. So I have that in my shower. And then another product I absolutely love, and as you can see, I'm almost done, and I just ordered another bottle of this. It's called Davines. The brand is Davines, and they have different names for certain shampoos. The one I like is called Love, and it's called Curl Shampoo, and it smells so amazing. And it is also a clean brand, so I really love this brand so much. The packaging is so simple, and their conditioner, which I don't have here because I'm out of it, is also really amazing. So I love Davines. And another product I really like, and it's kind of brand new and I just started using it, is by Living Proof, and it's actually a repair mask. So I use this, I would say, maybe once a week when I feel like my hair, or after I've just colored my hair and I feel like I need a little extra conditioner, I would wash my hair, then put this in and kind of comb it out in the shower, and then do other stuff like maybe shave my legs or put a mask on, and I try to keep it on for like 5 minutes. And then another mask, if I don't use my Living Proof, is this brand called, I can't really pronounce it, I think it's Illes Formula. They also make a shampoo and they make styling products. I love the mask. The mask is amazing, and also the packaging, the whole thing. I use that. If I don't use the Living Proof, I use this once a week. One other thing I have in the shower is I think they're called toothpick combs. They're wider combs, and I love using that when I put my conditioner in. I kind of just like brush my hair out with this, because I feel like I get, it's easier when I get out of the shower. I don't have so much work to do with brushing out my hair, and it's easy when the conditioner is in the hair. So one other shampoo I like to share for all the blondes out there is the Unite Blunder shampoo. This shampoo is amazing. It's really helped me over quarantine when I wasn't able to color my hair at all. But I love using this regardless once a week. It's purple, and on the color wheel, the opposite color of purple is yellow. So it really helps if your hair gets a little bit more brassy, just to like lift it up and to brighten it. So this is amazing for blondes. So I just shared all my shower products with you. Now moving on to my tools. The first product I'm going to share with you guys, or the first tool, is my Dyson blow dryer. And I really like this guy because it's so light and I like how quiet it is. And I really just use my blow dryer sort of like at the very end when my hair is almost dry. I don't use a round brush. I really just use it to get it really dry. And then the rest I do or style my hair with a curling iron. So once my hair is dry, I really like working with curling irons, and I have a few different sizes. So I'm going to share with you the ones I use. The first one is the GHD. This one, I don't know the exact size of this one, but I use this one if I want a tighter curl, and if I want my hair to be a little bit curlier than, like today it's just like a really soft curl, but if I want a tighter curl, I use this guy. And another one I love is the T3, and I like this one because it's interchangeable, so you can take it off. And let me just see how to do this. So you take it off, and then you have two different size barrels. This one has a clamper on it, and this one doesn't. This one I use if I want just like a really soft, almost no curl. I also like this one when I travel. It's really amazing to take with you. Then you have one curling iron with two different barrels. So amazing for traveling. Alright, and in terms of brushes, I really only have two brushes, and I have a comb. And let me share the first one. I've talked about this brush with you guys many times. It's the Sheila Stotts brush. I have turned so many people onto this brush. It's amazing. It's actually designed for people who have extensions, but I love it for when I come out of the shower when my hair is wet, because especially when you color your hair, you know, my hair can get a little bit tangly, so it like really gets, you know, my hair really smooth and all the tangles out, so it's really great for that. But I also love it when my hair is dry and when I want to back comb it a little bit, so I would use it for back combing. And I see a lot of like professional hairdressers on set, every single one has this brush. So this is a good one. And of course, the classic Mason Pearson. This is just a beautiful brush. Again, I love it if I don't use this when my hair is wet, but I like using it to kind of like, if I curl my hair and it's too curly, I like to go over it to like smoothen out my curl. And I also love using this for back combing. So those are my two favorite brushes. And the last comb I own is my rat's tail comb, which I think is a comb that everyone should own, because this part right here is amazing for detail work, or if you want to do like a very kind of like precise part in your hair, and it's also really good for back combing. All right, moving on from tools to actual styling products. I'm quite boring because I really don't use a lot of styling products, because what I find my hair to actually look better the less products I'm using, and also my hair will last longer. If I use too many styling products, my hair gets sort of like sticky, and the next day I feel like my hair just doesn't look as good anymore. So I like to use less is more, but I'm sharing with you guys my favorites. So one product I've shared with you many times is my 7-second Detangler by Unite. This is a product I literally use. It's probably one of the most used products I own out of makeup and hair. I use this every single time I get out of the shower. I just love it. It smells good, and it also helps my hair to just like brush it out easy. My kids love it. It's great. So I use that all the time. So in terms of styling products, I don't really use anything when my hair is wet, just the Unite detangling spray. And then when my hair is done and curled, I love using a texturizing spray. The one I'm loving at the moment is by Sam McKnight. This one just smells amazing. It's not heavy. You can spray half of the bottle really into your hair and you won't feel it. So it's like I hate sticky products. This one just like gives you a really nice volume, so I just spray it towards the base of my hair, and it also is really amazing the next day or the second day when you like feel like you need to style your hair again or curl it again. It just gives you like a really good pick-me-up. And Orbe makes an amazing texturizing spray too. I only have the travel size, but Orbe's texturizing spray is amazing as well. So that's really all I use. I also like using a styling cream, and the one I really like is by Orbe again. It's the moisturizing cream, and I use like just a small amount, and I rub it together with my hands, and I just sort of like crunch it into the ends of my hair. And what this does, it just makes my hair look not so perfect. It just gives like a really nice sort of definition to my curl. And again, it smells really good. So I love using that. Or I also use this if I decide to pull my hair back, if I want to do something a little bit more severe, if I wear my hair really sort of like, more like tight into a ponytail, if I put it into a bun and I want my hair to be more sleeked, this looks really good sort of like all over my hair. So that's an amazing product. And one more product I'm going to share with you guys is by Sisley. They recently, maybe a year or 2 years ago, came out with a hair care line, and I love their oil. It smells so good. It just is amazing. I love taking this with me if I go on vacation. When I go to the beach, I like putting on an oil because I know that I'm sitting under the sun, and my hair usually, gets sort of a little bit more brittle with like the ocean and with the sun. So I like protecting it with a nice hair oil. So that is amazing. Or on days when I feel like I just have my hair colored and it's extra dry, so I put like a little dropper onto my hand just to like make it a little bit softer. And yeah, those are all my products I use. I hope that this video was helpful to you. I love hearing from you what you would like for me to create, because it really helps me, because sometimes I'm out of ideas on what to shoot. So I love getting feedback from all of you, and at the moment I do have more time because I'm not on set as much. So I love creating content for all of you. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me some likes, and I see you very soon. Bye!